Is the Cook County State's Attorney doing enough to investigate alleged crimes carried out by federal immigration agents during Operation Midway Blitz?
A Cook County judge is considering that question today as she weighs whether or not to appoint a special prosecutor in the case. NBC5's Paris Schutz joins us now and brings us up to speed with the latest in the situation. Paris?
Yeah, Allison and Stefan, a group of legal observers and some public officials say the answer to that question is a definitive no, she's not doing enough. And they were in court today expecting a decision on whether or not State's Attorney Eileen O'Neill Burke would be sidelined when it comes to investigating immigration agents in favor of a special prosecutor. The verdict today, there is no decision. They're going to have to wait another 10 days. The judge says there are filings that everyone needs to go through, and May 21st will be the day that Judge Erica Reddick comes back and issues her decision on whether or not State's Attorney Eileen O'Neill Burke will be sidelined in favor. Now, these groups, headed by law firm Lovey & Lovey, believe that Eileen O'Neill Burke does have the power to investigate things like illegal use of force, like perjury, like conspiracy. But her office has said it takes a local investigative body, like a local police department, to start that, and then they have to refer it to her. She can't do it herself. Here are the competing arguments after that hearing today. Take a listen.
If a federal law enforcement agent commits a crime,
this is
my
wrong.
office will not hesitate to act in accordance with state law. This protocol establishes clear, legally sound guidelines to ensure we have a responsible and effective path to pursue accountability.
For the last 9 months, we have had a state's attorney that has had every single opportunity to investigate and prosecute. We have seen a report that has articulated the atrocities of Operation Midway Blitz, that has provided a roadmap for the prosecution of these agents, and yet we have heard nothing but silence on behalf of the state's attorney's office.
That last speaker, you heard Alderman Jesse Fuentes from the 26th Ward. Before that, Yvette Loizon, Assistant State's Attorney, defending her office's handling of these cases. Also part of the questioning, what potential crimes can she investigate and prosecute? Her office says it has to be limited to use of force, but the petitioners want her to look into perjury all the way up to conspiracy, and the judge wants an answer, too, from her office on that. So the two sides are going to meet again May 21st, where Cook County Judge Erica Reddick is expected to make her final ruling. Will Burke be benched in favor of a special prosecutor? Remember, that's exactly what happened in the Jussie Smollett case. State's attorney at the time, Kim Foxx, was sidelined in favor of a special prosecutor. So there is precedent for it. Allison?
All right. We'll see what happens next. Thank you, Paris, for the update.
Thanks.